What's going on, guys? It's the VPN Ranger. I'm going to be showing you how to watch Netflix in different regions. Okay, so based on your location, Netflix has different TV shows and different movies based on the country you're in. So for example, I'm in the US, but let's say I wanted to watch something in the Canada Netflix, I'd have to make it look like I'm in Canada. Now this could be vice versa. I could be in Canada trying to connect to the US. I could be in Australia trying to connect to the US, but you get the idea here. In order to make this happen, you need to be using a VPN. So I'm going to show you how this works. VPNs basically allow you to fake your location, making it look like you're in, another area when you're not. The one we're going to be checking out here is going to be NordVPN. I'm going to show you how it works in just a second, and we'll throw a link in the description if you want to check them out. All right, so I've personally been using Nord for about 2 years now. It's been one of my go-tos for Netflix specifically because it works really well. Now, this is not going to be a free service. It is a paid service, and it's kind of funny because it costs about the same as a Netflix subscription. So it's like $10.99 right now. Basically, too, you have a bunch of different servers you can connect to on here. So they have 5,100 servers across 62 different countries, which basically means that you're going to be able to find the area you need. Nord's been doing this for about 7 years now, so they've been around for about 7 years. They're very reputable. And the other thing about using VPNs, for me personally, I use it because it gives me more privacy, which you really can't put a price on, especially with people getting hacked and whatnot. And this happens all the time. Anyways, I'm going to log into Nord. I'm going to show you how to use it, but it's pretty simple. And the nice thing, too, about Nord is that their platform looks the same on any device you're using. So obviously right here, I'm using an iPhone, but you could be using an Android phone. You could be doing this literally from, Windows. Well, it doesn't matter because it's going to look exactly the same on each platform. All right, so I'm already logged into Nord, and we'll use the Canada to US example. So like I said, I'm in the US right now, and this is their built-in map feature. You can actually browse all over the world looking for different locations to connect to. But let's say, for example, I wanted to make it look like I was in Canada. I can just click this little blue dot, click Quick Connect, and then I'm going to get this little VPN that it's active. It turns green, and now it's going to give me a complete different IP address, and it's going to look like I'm located in Canada. So now when I sign into Netflix, I'm going to be able to get the Canada TV shows and movies, and I'll be good to go. Now, you can also do another way of connecting, which is just alphabetically by the country. Let's use the Australia option. So let's say I want to make it look like I'm in Australia. I just press the Quick Connect here, and you can see it turn green, and now it's going to look like I am located in Australia. So anyways, guys, this is basically how you can connect to Netflix in different regions. You will need to be using a VPN service. Nord is what I'm recommending to everybody. If you have any questions or comments about them, hit me up below. This is the VPN Ranger helping you guys out. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you guys later.